Do y'all see this hair? Do y'all see how beautiful and luxurious this hair looks? See, I thought that too, but I didn't know at this very moment while I'm sitting there smiling that 5 days later, this hair was going to be a hot ghetto mess.
Money. Everybody mad. Think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad.
Hey y'all, it's Nene. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am going to be doing an install on this wig when it actually looks pretty decent. Yeah, because as you heard in the beginning, this wig is really gonna turn into something, and I'm gonna show y'all a picture of what it looked like. But I'm gonna show you guys the install because I did actually, have to go through all that, and I did want to put up a video. So yeah, but I am gonna say right now, do not go buy this hair unless you want to. I'm not gonna say don't buy. I'm gonna say I don't recommend it. I'll just put it like that. So as you can see, I've already started plucking the hairline just to make it look a little more natural, but I'd be scared to pluck it. I'd be thinking I'm gonna pluck way too much out, so I need to work on that. Then I'm going to take this True Match Lace Conceal in the shade Dark. I always see Alonzo Arnold use this on his clients, and their hair always comes out like really nice. So I decided to buy it probably about 2-3 months ago, and I'm just not using it on this terrible wig. But I put the wig on my head, you guys, and as you can see, it is giving a little bit of scalp. I mean, like I said, I got to work on my plucking so I can really just be giving scalpy Yana vibes, but this will do. And especially for this wig, I'm glad I didn't really do nothing extravagant to it because, yeah. So I turned the wig to the side a little bit, and then I'm going to take my comb and put in a side part. That's what I wanted for this wig, because y'all know I'm a middle part type of girl, but I wanted to switch it up for this wig. And the wig done switched up on me, child. The wig done woke up and chose violence. Then I went ahead and combed out the hair that I was going to be using for my baby hair. So I actually ended up not doing baby hair on the whole closure. I just did it on the right side, and the other hair I ended up coming back into the hairline. But I took my tweezers and kind of plucked some more because, like I said, I'd be scared to pluck because I don't want to pluck too much, and obviously I don't be plucking enough. Y'all, I don't know what happened with this wig. This could have been a really nice wig. The knots on the lace were decent. The lace was nice. It wasn't too much hair on it. Y'all, it was easy to pluck. I don't know where they went wrong in the factory. I don't know whose head they got this hair off of, but obviously it was fried, dyed, and laid to the side because it was so dry at the end of this install, y'all. And then this is a wig that they sent to me. How y'all gonna send somebody a wig like this and ask them for a review, and it's given Sahara Desert? It's given the hair that you sweep up off the salon floor. It was not given what it was supposed to give. Y'all, I could not believe this hair when it finally dried. I was like, what the freak? And then I laid the hair with Ghost Bond, and it stayed on my head for 5 days, y'all. And I wore my bonnet when I went to sleep and everything. And y'all, this hair turned into a ball. It turned into a ball. That's what it is. It turned into a big ball, y'all. And it's so much maintenance with this hair. I have to brush it and spray it and do all that. Ain't nobody got time for all that. That's not I know curly hair is a little bit more it does require a little bit more maintenance than body wave or straight hair, but I have a lot of curly wigs, y'all, and this one is terrible, y'all. It's so dry. Literally, it's so dry. You put it in the oven, it is so dry. And y'all, it sheds, it tangles, it is crazy. The hair has a mind of its own. So here I'm just taking this Edge Booster wax stick, and I'm taking my hot comb, and I'm going to lay the hair down. So my part could be real laid, real flat or whatever. Then I'm going to take this concealer and put it in my part because I didn't pluck it wide enough, and I like my part to be a little bit a little more wide than that line that's in the wig already. Y'all get what I'm saying? I just want it to look a little bit wider because it looks a little more natural to me when it's bigger. Here I just sprayed it down with some water, y'all. Regular water, y'all. And you see my face right there. I'm looking at it what is going on? Why is it clumping up like that? I mean, it felt good, and it just wasn't giving regular curly hair vibes. I don't know, maybe the way they said it, because y'all know this hair do not come like this when they set the hair in the factory, they must have set it in opposite directions or something. Like, I don't know. Or it must have all been going the same way. Whatever it was a problem because it ended up clumping up in a weird way. And y'all, look how it was looking. Like, you could barely even see the closure because of that True Match Lace Conceal. You could see the edges because I ain't spray it all the way out there because I knew it was getting cut off. Like I said, I actually didn't end up doing the baby hair, so I did go back and comb them into the hair, and I did do one little swoop on that side that I'm touching right now. I just wet the hair down again, and that was it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I don't recommend that you go buy this wig. I will put the link and everything in there so you'll know exactly who it is. I'm gonna put in the title as well. They might be upset, but I mean, I don't even care because this is ridiculous. Here it is, y'all, the 22-inch rat's nest that these folks done sent me to my promoted on my Instagram and my YouTube. Child, please, what is this? Is this a joke? Like, what? Ain't no hair supposed to be clumping up like this after 5 days. And why I got to comb it and brush it and wet it 50 times a day so I can go outside and look decent? What kind of mess is that? No. No. Here's your promotion, sweetie. Don't send nobody else no wig like that. Y'all need to go back and rethink the whole wig making process because this ain't it. Maybe I just got a bad one or something, but I don't know. I don't know what else to say about it. That's all I got to say, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. While you're at it, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at PinupsAndPearls. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.